This is the first time we're addressing the capital markets in Canada. Today we're bringing a different group of people. We never brought any Canadians to the council.
I'm Robert Cook. I'm the Senior Vice President of Market Development at the Canadian Securities Exchange.
The gateway into any public markets is built on disclosure. It's the whole basis of the public markets.
There's an interest in opportunities for growth companies and entrepreneurs to hear what Canada has to offer. Even if you're not going public this year and you're thinking in 2 or 3 years, it's a good time to make introductions and get yourself educated about where you want your company to go so you don't find yourself tripping into something that might not be advantageous in the long run.
Could you please elaborate a bit the difference between a US VC versus going through the Canadian Stock Exchange route?
It's great, I guess, if you're in the top 10% of the VC's portfolio and you're getting all the time and attention and you're able to continue growing at a pace that interests them. But if you're not in that position, it's pretty painful. I'd like people to leave with a better understanding of the opportunity to utilise the CSE and go public, raise money and be a successful company, and then maximise the exposure to the US investor audience through OTC markets.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to introduce you to Chris Anderson.
I think anybody who brings innovation to finance is going to find a welcome home here in America.
When you think about the creation of wealth, etc., it's not the creation of wealth. You can't create wealth without creating jobs. Whether you do it directly or indirectly, you have to do it. You have to create jobs. And if we don't do enough of that, what happens to our society? What happens to the future? How do we create the future?
Look, I really, really want every one of you here and every attendee for every event to be a millionaire and a billionaire. And I really mean it. I want to entice more younger people to start attending our events, the millennials, whose head is in the sand. I think the Council's mission is getting more and more focused. It's all about wealth creation, stupid. I keep saying it all the time. I want to create a movement of people who think alike and who are here to spread capitalism. You can do whatever is on your mind. Just go and do it. The Financial Policy Council empowers people to think this way.